start smoking, right? And you take a peek. Honey, right? It's not bad to start off with. Let me get that open. And of course I don't have a key. Why would I? Unless it's inside hanging on a string or something. Alright, gotta go look. So that's actually might be an easier job than I thought it would be. All things considered, they're calm. But the problem is on the inside, that comb may go all the way up the inside to this spot right here. So it still may be an easier deal to work this from the inside. It's a significant beehive. Significantly calm at that. Alright, so I need to get this out of the way. That's some dark wax. It's been here for a while. I wonder what it looks like on the inside. This side's not held. Why is this side? Oh, they got a nail in it. That's why you bring pry bars. This actually not a bad removal, I think. Let me get a proper pry bar here. Well, I see why it's heavy now. There's comb tied to it. So you can tell there's no comb there. Got comb under here. Not too bad though. So looks like. Alright, so that's there. There's comb there. They might like. No, that's bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's the new stuff on this side. It's a scale. So that's all nectar on this side. I wish I had a vacuum. I don't. I got honey that's falling down, so I'm going to have to ease that out. Well, if you keep bees, sooner or later, you'll become the guy that people go to get bees out of places bees don't belong. Well, it's below 90. I'm in the shade. You would think this would be easy. Yeah, I don't think I have any robbers yet. At least being concealed like I am working from the inside is not putting that much of an odor of honey in the air. A few of these bees at the entrance here look like they're searching. They may be robbers. I don't know. I need to work quick and get these bees out and into the box with the brood and get the heck out of here. Well, one bucket's full. It's easier when you don't have to pick it up off of the floor and pick bees off of it. Sorry, that'll be just how she wanted to go on the screen. So anywho, I'm still working on chasing them out. And I hadn't seen any brood yet, but 40 pounds of honey or so. Not too much on the floor down there, darn it. Oh well. I'm using Fisher's Bee Quick to run the bees off the honey. Can you tell? So, got one that's pissed at me right now, which is probably one of 5 or 6 so far. That rig is going to hold my beehive. I'm going to strap it to this pole. I'm going to put the beehive up there to collect all the remnants. Well, part trap out, part cut out. I couldn't get to it all, as is the case sometimes. So I got 95% of the brood, 95% of the honey. There's a couple of pieces of comb still in there, and I'm gonna run them out. I can't keep doing this. I'm wore out and can't reach it. So do what you can, save all you can. All right, my ears are not playing tricks on me. I can hear bees up here. So may very well be a hive in one of these trees, colony, whatever. But the trap out's underway. Part trap out, part cut out. And I am too beat to even stand up. 8 hours. Holy cow. I can't keep doing this. This is crazy. I don't think people do this every day. Woo! Y'all be good.